Outreach Coordinator here at Giants Heritage Center.
And jag heter Stine. My name is Stine Myrah. I've been helping out with Norwegian Language Camp since 2012, so I was about 13 years old. A little bit shorter.
She was tiny. She was knee-high to a grasshopper. But you come from a beautiful Norwegian American family. Your mom, Katrina, has been here many summers with us developing Norwegian Ridge Language Camp as well. And we have some exciting news. Stine, tell them what you just graduated with a degree in.
Museum studies.
And what are we doing here at Giants?
We're creating a museum!
Yes! So as you can recall, we've always had a museum here as a part of our functioning Giants. But this fall, when we reopen with our 4-story elevator, we are going to have an amazing second and third floor full feature interactive collection of exhibits that you have only seen about 1/5 of. And this is a really big deal because she knows what she's doing here, and she's working with our board of directors to finalize the signage and a really beautiful cohesive plan for engaging our imaginations when we're upstairs that brings in all the elements of the beautiful murals that were designed by Sigmund Orseth. So not only does our community have an amazing, beautiful heritage center, but pretty soon we are going to delight and surprise you on the upper 2 floors of Giants, fully ADA compliant and accessible. Show them, Diane.